Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Raheem. إن هو إلا وحي يوحى. إنه لقرآن كريم. في كتاب مكنون. Stop for a moment. Look around the world. Millions of books exist. Millions of writers have written words. But there is one book that no human ever wrote, no human ever edited, and no human can ever change. That book is the Qur'an. It is not a story. It is not history. It is not a human opinion. It is the direct speech of Allah, sent as guidance for all worlds. The Qur'an was not written by a scholar. It was not created by a philosopher. It was not composed by a poet. It was revealed by Allah Himself to His final messenger, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, through the angel Jibreel. For more than 1400 years, this book has remained unchanged. Empires rose and fell, languages changed, technology advanced, but the Qur'an stayed the same, letter by letter, word by word. No human book has this power. Scientists study it, scholars explain it, believers memorize it, yet no one can produce a book like it. The Qur'an speaks to the heart. It heals the soul. It guides the lost. It strengthens the weak. And its message is not for one nation, not for one generation. It is for all peoples, in all places, for all time. Because this book is not from humans, it is from the Lord of the worlds. If the Qur'an is the word of Allah, then every verse is a message to you. Every command is guidance. Every warning is mercy. Every promise is truth. The Qur'an is not just meant to be placed on a shelf. It is meant to be read, understood, and lived. If you believe the Qur'an is the book of Allah, type, "This is the word of Allah," in the comments, and share this message so more hearts can remember. The Qur'an is not a human book. It is the light of guidance, the truth for all worlds. Stay with this series, because this is not just a story. This is your guidance.